So what are the kind of people that crack judiciary exam? People who are starting preparation very early, people who have clear goals and who focus on this exclusively. They are clear that okay, this is one thing we want to do, and they are exclusively focusing on this. People who are highly disciplined and can stay focused for more than 1 year. Most people can't stay focused for more than a couple of weeks or more than a week. Here you need to be focused for more than 1 year. Okay, and that is very difficult for people. Those who can do that are highly likely to crack the exam. If you can prepare without giving up, prepare for long enough, that again is a very important trait. People who plan, execute, and optimize continuously. So you have to always prepare with a plan in this exam, not blindly. You have to keep changing, adapting, improving your techniques, your methods, and keep on testing yourself all the time. People who measure and track their progress. This is very important. That's when, whatever gets measured can improve. This is a famous person has said it. Whatever you measure, you will improve. Whatever you don't measure will not get improved. So, for example, do you know how well you slept, how well you slept last night, or how productive you were yesterday? So we use tools, okay, like we wear a smartwatch to tell me the number of hours of total sleep, how much REM sleep was there, or I have a tool right now that's tracking how many hours I'm working, so that I don't have to track it and I will know my output and productivity based on what the tool is saying. Okay, so some people are good at tracking while others are not. They don't implement any systems also. People who track their progress tend to do well. Okay, people who are able to focus on all three stages of exam again, and who can shift gear means what? Your preparation for prelims is different from mains, and that's different from interview. Okay, a lot of people, now that is very important. You have to keep changing gears based on what's needed. A lot of people can prepare adequately for prelims. Okay, MCQ type questions are there, no objective, but they can't clear mains due to lack of preparation because they mismanage their time for cracking the exam. I hope this is helping you out in planning out that what lies ahead of you.